While you may not be thinking about Hoffmann Brothers right now, we're thinking of you.
As an essential business provider, we will be here when you need us.
We recognize your safety, as well as the safety of our employees, as our #1 priority.
During this challenging time, we will do everything we can to keep our team, our families, and all of our customers safe.
As technicians and plumbers, we've been equipped with disinfectant wipes, hand sanitizer, and personal protective equipment.
And we are practicing safe social distancing techniques
while serving you in your home or business.
We want to protect you and all the customers that we serve.
Hoffmann Brothers will take care of your home
while you take care of your family.
Be safe and wash your hands.
And please stay home.
And we will be here when you need us.
For all your heating, air conditioning,
plumbing, electrical, and appliance repair needs.
Call the brothers.
Hoffmann Brothers.